Our second plant slide is going to be of this lovely aquatic plant called Elodea. It might be pronounced Elodea. I've heard it both ways. Whatever makes you happy. But it's this lovely little aquatic plant with very small green leaves that are sort of the perfect size for making a microscope slide of some leaf tissue. So we're going to zoom in and watch me make a slide from one of these leaves. I'm going to pluck off a leaf and put it on my microscope slide. So I'm going to find a nice new green leaf if I can. Okay, there we go. We have our slide. We'll look at it under the microscope now.